Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Honor X5 Plus. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Honor X5 Plus and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Honor X5 Plus settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find just something say system and updates. After click over system and updates, you will find here something say language and input. After click over language and input, you will find here something say language and region, and then you will see screen appear just like this. If you decide to add a new language, you need to click here add language, and then you will see there is a bunch of languages available preloaded by Honor. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this Italiano, and then it's saying to are you sure you want to change your system language to Italiano? Okay, I'm going to click here change, and now we will see my phone language has successfully changed English to Italiano. Actually I made these changes. Actually I want to also share to maybe by mistakenly you have changed your phone language or and you want to change it to English. So how you can do it? Even myself, I don't know Italian language, but I made it to Italian. But now I will share with you how you can change your phone language to English whenever whatever language exists in your phone. So first of all, you need to find out the gear icon. So this is the gear icon. If it is in home screen, that's great. If it is not, you need to jump over all of section. So I'm going to jump over my all of section and I'm going to click here this setting. After click over this setting, you can scroll all the way down and you will find just something say system, which is this icon. So you have to click over on it, and then we will see screen appear just like this. From this screen, you have to choose number 1, 2, 3. So this is the third number line. So you're going to click here third line, and then again you need to click the first line. After click over there, we will see a screen appear just like this. If English is here, that's great. If it is not, you can click this blue icon to add or find out the English language. So in this screen, you will see there will be a bunch of languages available. You can easily choose any of them. But actually, I already have English here, so I'm going to choose here English, and then we will see my phone language has successfully changed Italian to English. So even I don't know that Italian language. So within this simple way, you can easily change language in your Honor X5 Plus. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.